AmericanElectric Energy, we don't just create batteries, we create freedom. Today we introduce Poly DP-3, our lithium battery designed for those who always strive to go further. Its charging port is optimized to protect every cycle, ensuring a longer lifespan and more energy for your journeys. With just one button, it shows you the battery level, precision and simplicity at your fingertips, and its discharge port guarantees a flawless connection, built to support you without fail when it matters most. The safety lock secures the battery, preventing disconnections, theft, and risks, while ensuring stability, durability, and peace of mind. AmericanElectric Energy, power, precision, perfection.